In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the toner cartridge in the Samsung ML1915 or similar models. Start by opening the front cover of the printer. Carefully remove the toner cartridge by grasping the handle and pulling the cartridge out. Prepare the new cartridge by pulling out the seal. Gently shake the toner cartridge back and forth several times. Some cartridges have a plastic sealing tab at one end. If your cartridge has a sealing tab, slowly pull the tab all the way out. Press the new cartridge back into the printer, making sure that it clicks into place. Close the front cover and the printer is ready to use. For more information, please visit us at www.tonerparts.com.